So today your protest is going on. So what do you like to say, sir?
Well, Bank of India bank employees under the banner of Federation of Bank of India Staff Union, that is the All India body, has given a call for agitation including 2 days strike in Bank of India. The main demand is the recruitment of award staff. There is an acute shortage of clerical staff, the sub-staff as well as Ramgard in the bank. We want to give a very good customer service, but unfortunately we are not in a position to give service because the branches are totally starving of award staff in the counter. Counters are empty. We are not in a position to do any work, and it is a stressful situation at the branches. So we have demanded of the management to recruit adequate number of staff in the bank. That is why we have given a call for strike. That is one part. Secondly, there are different settlements in bank. The management has to uphold and the sanctity of the settlement and implement it. There has been violation of settlement in the implementation of various factors. Some special paper on the transfer issues, some of the request transfer also which have been given has been denied. So there are a lot of issues in the bank. We have been talking to the manager over the years, asking them except for promises, there has been no improvement. So we are forced to go on strike for 2 days. That's why we have given a call for strike. Today we are having a silent demonstration. Then again on the 27th we are having a normal Dharna program. And then on the 30th of September and 1st of October there will be 2 days strike in Bank of India, exclusively to get adequate number of staff in the bank so that we can give a better customer service to our customers.
So any number of staff requirement you can
see if you go to see there are number of branches all over India where there is only one single cashier is there. There is no other clerk at all. If we have done a very conservative estimate, we require minimum 3,000 clerical staff only in Bank of India. 3,000 minimum to give minimum service to the people. Today our customers come and we are unable to give immediate service. We have to call them another 1 day or 2 days. The technology that is there, it is not equipped enough or that efficient to take care of the shortages. There are also hiccups there. So we minimum a clerical staff strength of minimum 3,000 is required. There are number of branches where there is not even one sub-staff, not even one sweeper is there. Total branches without sub-staff are there. We have got around 5,000 plus branches all over India, and the total staff strength is just 5,000 or something of the sub-staff. So sub-staff is required. Amgard also are required. So this is what we have put a demand before the manager.
So your name and designation?
I am Maxi Pereira. I am the General Secretary of Bank of India Staff Union Goa. I am also the President of the Federation of Bank of India, All India Federation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Silent.